So if you are using Google Chrome, you should watch this video completely, because in this video I'm gonna show you very interesting informative thing about your Google Chrome. Even if you are a Windows, Linux or Mac OS user, whenever you are using Google Chrome, you open multiple 10, 12, 50 or 100 tabs at the same time, then in background you can see your Chrome using lots of resources. Because of using high resources uses in background, your PC is going to slow down. So many people say like using Chrome and my PC becomes very slow. So after this video, your PC is not going to slow, because in this video I'm gonna fix this issue. Okay, so what I'm going to do, currently you can see 74 processes or tabs are running in background of Chrome, and it is using 3.5 GB RAM. So currently you can see multiple tabs are open, no issue at all. You can use thousands of tabs at the same time, even you have 1 GB RAM PC. So what you need to do, just go to three dots, go into settings, in settings go into performance. In performance you will see one option like memory saver, so just turn it on. So what it does after turning on, so basically whatever the tabs you currently using, so that is going to be active, other tabs are inactive. So inactive in the sense it is going to free up all the resources or memory which is eating in background. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to restart my Chrome. After some times you will see all tabs are going to sleep in background, and my resources will be free up. So wait for some time, after that all the other tabs will be in sleep mode. Now you can see after turning on that setting, my resources uses in Chrome is about 1.8 GB only. That was 3.5, now it is 1.8. Okay, so this is the one setting I just want to tell you, and maybe in future you are looking for like how these dotted circles are on my Chrome tabs. Sometimes people don't want to go tabs in sleep mode, so you can turn this off. You will not see your tabs go in again sleep mode. You just need to know about this setting. That's a simple thing. So okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, so just hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel.